Hexbug BattleBots are back! You can dominate the BattleBots with Minotaur's drum spinner versus Beta's pulverizing hammer. Now with 4-channel remotes, you can fight all 4 BattleBots at once. Bring the battle home.
You've seen the robot creations on TV. Now you can transform your house into the battle box. With snap-together pieces and real moving weapons, you can face off with Tombstone and Minotaur. Build them up and battle it out with Vex Robotics BattleBots by Hexbug, each sold separately.
Made to fit where other tools can't. Reach directly into tighter spaces with the new Passload 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer. This is the ideal tool for all your trim projects. This nailer drives each nail flush into all trim for high-quality craftsmanship. At 4¼ pounds, this is the lightest cordless brad nailer on the market for reduced fatigue and increased productivity. Experience the convenience of Passload cordless. This tool is ready to go when you are. No compressor or hose to manage or put away. The new 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer is covered by the Passload 2-year service promise. If your nailer stops working for any reason, we'll fix it. As with all Passload tools, this is a durable and reliable nailer designed for the pro. Experience non-stop nailing with Passload's 18-gauge cordless system.
Introducing IronBot, a robot your kids can make at home. IronBot is a DIY robot learning kit, which can be assembled by kids over 8 years old. It consists of structural metal, adapting piece, mini controller, and battery module. By IronBot, kids are able to assemble 3 kinds of robots: robotic arm, biped robot, and a humanoid robot. By the controller in our app, kids can control IronBot in real time and use it to play various fun games. Kids can also set IronBot's movement track and let it act in according to personal setting, like the widely used robot's implant. When kids finish the humanoid robot assembly, they can directly put smartphone on robot's head as his brain. Then he will become an intelligent robot who can listen, speak, and act.
Hello, my name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Daniel. Nice to meet you too.
Be like a new friend who can talk, dance, and play with kids.
IronBot, picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Every kid can DIY IronBot as preference by setting its name, character, voice, and expression, and create a unique IronBot belonging to him or herself. By X-Link graphical programming in-app, kids can program and design robots thinking, or they can even write a script by X-Link and request IronBot to perform drama together with kids themselves.
Who is that beautiful girl?
She's Snow White.
a princess who was poisoned by her vicious stepmother.
IronBot will help kids start to know, to understand, and to assemble robots by their own ways, so that they can learn STEM and robotics in a simple and funny way. All these will develop kids' interests for robots and open them a door to future robot world.
This is the DBC16H Rebar Cutter Bender, another innovative tool by BN Products USA. This portable combination tool provides job site cutting and bending of rebar all in one tool. The unique design of this combination unit provides the operator the ability to cut and bend rebar for in-place rebar or stationary fabrication. These markings will help you bend any angle up to 180 degrees. The tool can be positioned in two different angles depending on the application. This safety guard will keep the cutter protected during bending operations. This powerful electric hydraulic tool can cut or bend up to number 5 16mm grade 60 rebar. The unit also comes with this heavy-duty carrying case. Well, that's a look at the DBC16H Rebar Cutter Bender Combo Unit.